So, good morning, Dr. Stojanovich. You participated in the third SLEuro Advanced Workshop on SLE in Padua. And what do you think about the format of this workshop?
Actually, it was the first one, excellent organization, this meeting. And I am interested very much for systemic lupus especially. And in Padua, everything I think was excellent.
Thank you. And did this workshop fulfill your expectations?
Absolutely nothing except what I we did actually in this very excellent organization, very clinical, successful presentation and discussion. Of course, I am very satisfied.
Thank you about that. And what was the topic you were interested in the most that was exposed at the workshop?
Um, uh, because of my great interest to antiphospholipid syndrome, Angela Tincani, a friend of mine, she had a presentation regarding obstetric lupus. It's very important for clinical doctor as me, for example. And Angela Tincani, the first, I believe, not in Europe, in all the world, for this topic, especially obstetric patient with rheumatic autoimmune disease, especially with antiphospholipid syndrome. Again,
Good. And do you have any suggestion about the future workshop for us or for the participants?
actually, we had in my country, in Serbia, and in Belgrade, the same meeting a few years before. It was before pandemic situation, you know,
Okay.
and we had the same lectors and Professor Silvera, for example, and I'm much more interested in treating problem between systemic lupus erythematosus and antiphospholipid syndrome, primary antiphospholipid syndrome and secondary antiphospholipid syndrome, especially neuropsychiatric manifestation as in
Okay.
lupus and secondary and primary antiphospholipid syndrome. It's very complicated for clinical doctors.
Sure.
It's my opinion.
Perfect. Okay, so thank you so much, and hopefully see you in another occasion with SLEuro Society.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you
you.
very much.